So, hi again everyone. Welcome to our part 8 tutorial about Cisco Packet Tracer. And for our next activity, we are going to view device tables and resetting the network. So, we will open the file save from the previous section. So, here is our file from the previous section. Then we will open the ARP tables for both devices by clicking them with the Inspect tool. The ARP tables always appear on the same spot. Reposition them to make them both visible. You can also resize the tables for better viewing. So we will view the ARP tables using Inspect tools. I-resize lang natin siya para hindi mag-consume ng bigger nga space. Then, for our third step, in real-time mode, send a simple PDU from the PC to the server. So, mag-send kita ng simple PDU from the PC to the server. There. Ma-notice natin nga as we send a PDU, nag-field ang aton nga ARP table sang PC and sang web server. There, just like here's a picture. There, nag-field it ng information. Then we will delete the PDU using the method covered in the previous sections. So, i-delete lang natin ang PDU. There is a user-created packet window. Double-click lang. There. As you can see, gin-delete natin there is a user packet created window. Ang ARP table natin is wala nag-delete. That is because na-record na or na-record na sang ARP table ang process na gin-perform naton kagina. That's why wala na siya na-delete. Then, we will click power cycle devices for our step 5. We will click the power cycle devices. There, as you can see, after natin gin-delete ang power cycle devices, na-dula man or na-delete man ang aton nga ARP table. That is because ang power cycle devices button turns the devices off and back on again. Therefore, nadula ang mga temporary information like sang ARP table entries. Kagina nga gin-perform naton. Then, we will go to the simulation mode for our step 6. And in the event list filters, make sure that ICMP and ARP are checked so that you can view ICMP and ARP packets in the animation. So, sa edit filters, i-check mo natin ang ARP. Then, para ma-view ang ARP at ang ICMP packet sa animation. So, then, we will create a simple PDU from the server to the PC for our step 7. To the server. There, as you can see sa ating event list, ang type, ICMP, and ARP. Na-view siya sa animation. Then, notice that since devices were power cycled earlier, the ARP tables are empty daw kuno. So, i-view nato ang ARP tables is empty. Hidman. So, there. empty ang aton nga ARP table, maski nag-send kita sa simple PDU because din power cycle device naton kagina. So, ARP packets request needs to be issued before the ICMP ping packet so that the devices in the network can learn about each other. Click on Auto Capture Play to watch the animation. So, kinahangladan ay ma-issue ang ARP request packet before ICMP ping packet para mag-work hand in hand sila nga duwa. So, we will click ko no ang Auto Capture Play if may matabo. There, nag-travel na. There. As you can see, na-fill ang ARP tables naton sa web server and as well as sa aton nga PC. There. Then, successful nga na-send ang echo reply message. And ang aton nga ARP table na fields ng information liwat about IP address, hardware address, and the interface. So, for our step 9, we will click Reset Simulation. We will click Reset Simulation. Notice that even though event list is cleared, the ARP tables remain full. Then, click natin liwat ko na ang Auto Capture Play. Reset Simulation danon. Then, Auto Capture Play. There, as you can see, yung Auto Capture Play natin, wala nang empty ang tables. Para magyapon ng information. That's the ating mga workspace. Please, mag-send yapon. And there, successful nga nag-send ang echo reply. So, click Auto Capture Play. This time, since the ARP tables are full, there are no new ARP packets issued. So, kay successful na siya nag-send sang echo reply, wala na sang new packets or ARP packets nga nag-appear sa event list. So, by clicking the power cycle devices, ma-empty ang ARP tables. After nga ma-empty ang ARP tables, may nagtunga sa aton nga ARP sa event list. So, congratulations, you can now view device table, reset table, simulation, and reset the network. So, now we will review our new skills for our last activity. Kung i-single click naton ang delete buttons, ma-delete ang entire nga scenarios. And pwede man siya ma-delete sa PDU. Double click lang sa user created packet window sa last column. But dere only PDU, simple PDU lang ang ma-delete. So reset simulation clears all the events sa event list. But ang initial nga PDU is hindi ma-delete, remains man siya Japon. But kung i-reset naton siya, hindi ma-reset ang aton nga ARP tables. Except kung i-click naton ang power cycle devices buttons, ma-reset ang aton nga tables because it allows devices in the network off and on, so the tables that the devices built are lost along with the configurations and other informations not saved.
So saving our network periodically prevents lost configuration and state changes in the network. So always remember that we should save our file so that hindi ma-loss ang aton nga mga changes nga ginobra kag ang aton nga mga network nga gin-create. So that's it for Packet Tracer. I hope you have learned a lot from this tutorial and learn how to create your first network and send simple test messages in real-time mode, and to establish a web server connections, and also to capture events and viewing animations in the simulation mode, and also to look inside the packets in the simulation mode, and viewing devices tables and resetting the networks. And that's all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have learned a lot from this. Again, I am Jovimi Empayas, BSIT2B, and have a good day to everyone.